Introduction to removing duplicate files.
Duplicate files can take up valuable space and slow down your computer. Removing them safely frees up storage and helps keep your files organized. In this guide, you'll learn how to find and delete duplicate files on Windows using trusted, free software tools without risking your important data.
Choosing a free duplicate file finder.
Several free programs help with duplicate file removal. CCleaner, auslogics Duplicate File Finder, and Wise Duplicate Finder are popular, reliable choices. These tools scan your drives, compare file content, and highlight exact duplicates. Download from official websites for safety, and always avoid bundled third-party offers during installation.
Preparing to scan for duplicates.
Before scanning, back up your important files to avoid accidental loss. Install your chosen duplicate finder and close other programs to improve scan accuracy. Decide which folders or drives you want to check. Scanning your entire system may take longer, but finds more duplicates.
Scanning and reviewing results.
Open the duplicate finder and select the locations to scan. Adjust settings to match your needs, like file types or size limits. Once the scan completes, carefully review the list of duplicates. Most tools group files together for easy comparison. Double-check locations and file names before deciding what to remove.
Safely deleting duplicate files.
Only delete files you are sure are unnecessary. Many free tools let you keep one version and automatically mark the rest for removal. Double-check the files you're about to delete, especially in system or program folders. When ready, use the tool to remove selected duplicates. Empty your recycle bin afterward to free up space.
Tips for ongoing file management.
Run scans regularly to stay on top of new duplicates. Organize downloads, documents, and pictures into separate folders to prevent clutter. Consider cloud backups or external drives for extra protection. With these simple habits and the right free software, keeping your Windows computer tidy and efficient is easy.